Hey everyone, it's Sherry with Bag Lady Studios, and today I'm bringing to you a video that will make my amazing sewing machine even better. Stay tuned to find out what I am talking about. But the one thing it is missing is a really good light. So the light that's included is really not all that bright. As you can tell, it's on and it's off. You really can't see much. So online, I found this thing. It's called an LED strip kit, sewing machine lighting. So I thought, well, let me give this a try and see how it does. So it does say energy saving. I will have to look up the link for it, but it has some simple little directions on the back. I haven't even opened this, so I don't know how it does. I have seen them online though, so they look pretty good. Let's see what we got. So it looks like pretty simple little setup. There's a plug for the USB. All right, so let's see if we can't fix this situation. This is what I got. It's an LED strip kit. I demonstrated how I have very little light. I don't know if you can really see that, but there's very little light. So we're gonna fix that. First I want to do is clean off underneath with just an alcohol pad. Get all that clean, because it says in here, it says to unroll it completely. I still have it in the package. There's the plug. There is the LED strip. And then it comes with a bunch of connectors. So that looks like the light strip. And then it comes with a bunch of little connectors here. So it says to tear off the covering of the light strip without adhesive, the designated area should be degreased and free from all impurities. Did that. Stick the LED strip along the neck of the sewing machine. So it has, looks like it has tape here. So let's see. It's just supposed to pull off. Now, I am not the most technically inclined person, but there you go. I'm going to peel that off. And it stuck to me. I have a clinger on her. And you just have to want to probably should have done this beforehand. I wanted to figure out where I want it. So I'm going to put mine right along the center. Bring it up along the throat of the machine, and then bring it down. That's pretty simple. Now, these clips, I believe, are going to be for the cord. Now, I don't really want my cord to be in my way, so I think I'm going to clip mine right here at the base. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to clip it right down in the base. See, right down here towards the end. I think right in there. And actually, my sewing machine's got like a little tiny groove, which is going to work out pretty good for this. I'm going to clip it in there, get it down into that little groove, and stick it there. And this actually works out perfect. I might not even have to use those other clips. Let me see if I can bring you down and I will show you what I mean. If you see on my sewing machine, it has a little groove along the bottom here. So I'm just going to run mine right along those grooves. And then I'll put another clip back here and clip it in. You can see there. And that's what the inside looks like. It's stuck up there pretty good. All right, let's see how it looks. Oh, my nice little sticker. So you can see I routed it under the sewing machine. If it'll focus in. Comes down around the throat. Did a little clip there. Brought it around here. It's not going to get in the way of that. So I can still do that. And let's see. It's got a little one off. There we go. And look at that. That's pretty awesome. Wow, what an easy fix. I hope that you got something out of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for some more videos. See you later. Bye-bye.